Good morning. My name is Robin and this is my wife Abby.
Hi.
So we are the owners of Casa Queron. Actually, nag-start yung concept during pandemic pa.
Yeah.
So I started to message minimalist kasi I saw yung mga designs and gaganda. So this design na nagustuhan ko siya talaga. So parang yun yung naging inspiration ko dun sa design. And then I message si minimalist and then si Lisa yata yung nag-reply. Nag-meet kami with Jello and si Lisa. So dito rin actually. So nag-site visit and all.
Agad-agad, we signed the contract.
Yes. Ayun, so experience-wise, maganda kasi it's not perfect pero hindi kami nagkaroon ng sakit ng ulo. So kung meron man naging concerns or problems, na-address naman siya, na-fix ka agad-agad. Very supportive naman sila Jello and Lisa for all of those concerns. So actually, I always share also to my office mates and my friends na kasi laging tanong nila, nagka-problema ba kayo sa contractor niyo? So sabi ko, hindi, may visit lang kami ng weekends. Yun na. So wala na. Hanggang matapos na, then wala na kayong problema. So I guess yun yung maganda experience namin. So bayad lang kami ng bayad. Kayo nang bahala sa which is okay naman. Yeah. Gusto mo thank you sa...
thank you for making our dream into reality. Dream lang namin to magkaroon ng Airbnb na ganito eh.
Yeah, so thank you Isa, thank you kay Lisa, thank you kay Architect Jello.
Sa buong team. Si Brian.
Si Brian. Thank you Brian.
Yeah.
Brian. So actually it's owned by the parents of my wife. Binebenta yung half of the property. So sabi kami na lang bibili. So in short, binili namin siya. And we said na why not dito na lang natin i-build yung Airbnb natin. So yeah, nag-start kami doon and then eto na. I think
open na siya for
booking. So Casa Queron, Alfonso Cavite, welcome and ready na for booking. So
thank you.